Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful and affordable gaming laptops you can buy right now, the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop, model ANV15-52-76NK. If you're a gamer, a content creator, or even a student who needs performance on the go, this laptop packs in a lot of value. So let's break it down in detail. First, let's talk about the processor. Inside, you'll find the 13th generation Intel Core i7-13620H. This is a high-performance processor with multiple cores and threads, designed to handle heavy multitasking, gaming, and productivity tasks. Whether you're editing videos, streaming while gaming, or running demanding software, this CPU has the power to keep up without slowing down. Next up is the graphics card. This laptop comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU. Now, this is where the magic happens for gamers. With ray tracing technology, your games will look more realistic, with dynamic lighting, shadows, and reflections. And with DLSS powered by AI, you'll get smoother frame rates without sacrificing quality. The RTX 4050 is an excellent choice for modern AAA games and esports titles, giving you a great balance between performance and efficiency. Now let's move on to the display. You're getting a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a super smooth 165Hz refresh rate. That means motion is fluid, fast-paced games like Valorant, Apex Legends, or Call of Duty will feel more responsive, and you'll notice less screen tearing. Plus, with IPS technology, the colors look vibrant and accurate from any viewing angle, making it just as good for gaming as it is for watching movies or editing media. In terms of memory and storage, this Nitro V doesn't disappoint. It comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is the latest and fastest memory standard available. That ensures quick performance when you're running multiple programs at once. For storage, you get a huge 1 TB Gen 4 SSD. Not only does this give you plenty of room for your games, files, and videos, but because it's Gen 4, it's blazing fast. Your system boots up in seconds, and games load almost instantly. Let's also talk about connectivity. The Acer Nitro V is equipped with Wi-Fi 6, which means faster, more stable internet connections and reduced latency, a must for online gaming and streaming. No more lag spikes during critical moments in your matches. And of course, we can't forget about the keyboard. It comes with a stylish backlit keyboard, perfect for late-night gaming sessions or working in low-light environments. It's designed with gamers in mind, so it's responsive, tactile, and comfortable for long use. Finally, the overall design of the Nitro V gaming laptop is sleek yet aggressive, with that classic Nitro style. It's portable enough to carry around, but powerful enough to replace a desktop for most users. To sum it up, the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop ANV15-52-76NK gives you the Intel Core i7-13620H processor for incredible performance, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics for stunning visuals and smooth gameplay, a 15.6-inch FHD IPS display at 165Hz for ultra-fluid motion, 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and 1 TB Gen 4 SSD for speed and storage, Wi-Fi 6 for seamless online connectivity, and a backlit keyboard for style and convenience. This is truly a gaming laptop that delivers excellent performance for its price point. Whether you're into competitive esports, AAA titles, or content creation, the Acer Nitro V is a fantastic choice. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting me know what game you'd test first on the Nitro V. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Reference link below description, thanks.